Hi friends, this is your Blender Boy Dinesh. Today I'm going to show you how to make a ocean and rain effect. So let's start and a screencast. Let's delete all and just hide this 3D cursor here. You can hide here. Untick. Okay. So let's add a plane. Add a plane and now we need to create a ocean effect to this plane. So let's go to the modifier properties and add a modifier. Under the physics tab you can see this ocean, so click that one and zoom out, and here we go, this is our ocean. Now in this settings we can change uh, what we need. For an example, we can repeat this ocean in x direction, y direction, like that. So let me show you. It's repeating in x direction, and if you want to repeat in y direction, just click that one. So this is our ocean, and now if you next one, the resolution. So you can increase this resolution. Let me show you. Just increase this resolution to 25, and wow, okay, you can see this surface, and you can increase this render also. Okay. But I can keep in 25 each resolution render, but my laptop hard disk capacity is not enough, so if I do that it will stuck somewhere in the middle of this process. So let me reduce to 7, and this repetition also I don't need, just this demonstration, so I just keep it in 1. Okay. Now next one is time. Let me show you. When we play, no any waves here. Okay, if I play, no any waves here. So this time is the option is controlling this wave. So there are two ways to make the waves movement. One is give a time, means keyframes to this time. The next one is just type driver. So first one, let me show you the first one. In the first frame here, time to keep the time as 1, and here you can click this dot to insert a keyframe, or right click there, insert a keyframe, both are same. So let me tick this one. Okay, we have inserted a keyframe in first frame, and go to this last and change this time. Like you can drag to change, or you can type a number like 10 or 15, like that. Okay, and again give a insert a keyframe. Now okay, now let's play. You see this waves are moving, means there are waves. Okay, stop there. And the second method is, no need to give these keyframes, just delete those keyframes. Delete those keyframes. Now please, it will not move. So next method is just here type this one. has frame underscore not underscore divide like 30 or 40 whatever. If I give 30, it will 30 seconds like speed. If I want to speed the 30 frames per second, if I reduce the number, the wave speed will increase. So let me show you 60 and let's play. You see waves are moving slowly. Okay, you can see. If I increase that one frame into 30, you see speed increase. The when I reduce the number, the wave speed is was increased. So that's all. Now we need to make this like this is only this is a slow means smooth sea, smooth ocean. So let's increase that one. So here you can change the depth and change the size. Okay, and spatial size also we can change. Just change the size now. And next one, here you can see a wave menu. So click that wave menu. Here we can increase the scale of the wave like this, angry ocean, and enough, not enough, like this. And smallest wave give a minimum. If you increase the smallest wave size, it will smooth more. So keep it 0 is better. And choppiness is like, let me show you, it will become sharp. So increase this choppiness, you can see the sharpness is increasing. So increase to look like reality. Okay, like that. And wind velocity also you can increase or decrease. uh, that's fine. Scale, this will be scale. Okay, you can keep the effect you desired. So this is fine. And next one, you can see a form menu, means here form. So click that one and click this form. You know what is form means? The waves, when waves are colliding, means not colliding like a hilly area. The bubbles means those are the forms. So click the form and give a name, a data layer. Just whatever you like, give a name. I just give form. Okay, form. Then, okay. Now let's give some materials for this ocean and this form. So let's go to this shading. So click this shading and zoom out. You can see this background is green, right? So it's a default one. So we can change that here. Let me show you the background first. When we reduce the blur, you can see the background. So we can change the background later by adding a HDRI image. Okay, so now don't worry about that one. Okay, now let's change a dark one. Now it's fine. Okay, now it's fine. Leave it. So first of all, let's save this one. Save somewhere here, somewhere. Okay, save a name. Save. Now let's check here. It's selected this one, object or world. We need a object, no, not the environment. So we need this object type. So check that, click that one, and click a new material here. Add a new material here. Click. And when you click, you can see principal VSDF and material output. So check that one. Okay. Now move somewhere here. You can zoom out. To drag, just click that one and drag. Okay. Now give, if you want to give a material name, just give a name ocean. Okay. Now we need to add color to this ocean waves. Normally ocean waves are dark in bottom and light color in top because of light effect. So two or more colors we need. For this ocean we are going to give two colors. If you want, you can give three colors to mix. So let's add a color ramp to mix that one. Color ramp is the option to give two or more colors to an object. So let's add a color ramp. So shift A and here click and search color ramp or ramp. Here you can see color ramp. Click that one and here and join this color into base color. Okay. Now we need to change this color here. Okay. First one we need dark blue and second one light blue, not light too much. So click here, then here you come, it's black. So click that one and change into here to see the colors and click blue and make it dark like this. Okay. Now here select this white, click that one and here again click here and select blue and like more like this. Now it's fine and here drag, oh, drag somewhere here. It's, okay. Now it's fine. then oh, wait a second. Uh, this is not perfect form, I think. So let's change some waves. Go to this setting and random feed. uh, like wave happiness. Yes. Mm, okay, this is fine, I think. Mm, much. Wait a minute. Sorry for that. Okay. Uh, okay, it's enough. It's fine. Now it's okay. So let's hide this 3D cursor. So go here and pick this one. Now it's fine. Mm, this view is better. Okay. Now we need to control this color with 0.5. Okay. We need to control this color with this texture. Means texture coordinate. So we need to coordinate that texture with this color ramp. So let's add a texture coordinate. So shift A, search texture coordinate, or better search. Sorry, better search coordinate, texture coordinate, and here click and pick this generator to this factor. So join this one. Wait a minute. Okay. Now you can see we gave this dark and light blue, not a light much, these color variations, but it assigned in XY direction also, XY direction also. So we need that dark light variation along Z axis, deep area dark and light top area blue, light blue. So for that we need to separate this X, Y, Z coding axes. So we need to add a separator. So shift A, search X, Y, Z separator, and separate, click here. In the middle it will auto click here. Here we don't want to separate along Y, X, so remove. And we don't want to separate Y also, so just remove. We need to join this G and this factor. Now you can see deep area dark, top area light, means black and dark blue. Okay, so let's change here, and like this. Okay, reduce and change this dark color. Right, now it's fine. Yeah, now it's fine. It's better. Okay, now it's okay. Now let's create a form here. You cannot see any forms here, just ocean material only. So let's create form. For that we need to add another material, another principal BSDF material to the form also. So just we can copy this principal BSDF, or we can add another principal BSDF. So same procedure to copy. Just click that one and shift D to copy somewhere here, and okay, keep that base color as white, because those forms are white now. So change it to full white. So click here and change the V into 1, so it will become a full white. Okay, now we need to connect this foam and ocean together, because both those foam and ocean waves are together now. So we need to join, connect those things. How to connect those materials? With a mix shader. So add a mix shader. So shift A, search mix shader. Here, click this one and click. Now we need to connect this principal BSDF and this principal BSDF with this mix shader. So remove this connection. So remove this connection first, and this shader connection to this surface, material output surface. No, so click this shader with this surface. Okay, and we didn't connect this material, that's why it became black. So click this BSDF to one of this shader, the ocean shader, ocean material thing. Now click this BSDF with another shader. Okay, it became white because the foam color, this material. We didn't assign the foam yet, but this material came here. So we need this material to be changed. Let's check after we assign the form. So next we need to assign the form. How to assign the form? So for that we need to add a attribute to this form, So add an attribute. So shift A, search attribute here. The attribute is here, and just you can see a factor also there. So connect this factor with this factor. Move somewhere here. It's okay. Move this on here. Okay. This factor with this factor shader also okay. Now here it's asked a name, means this form name, layer name. So we gave a name already in ocean settings. So go to this ocean settings here, properties, modify properties. Here you can see the name, data layer, form in simple letters. So give the same name as it is. So form, uh, these attributes and these modifiers are case sensitive, so give same as the simple letters form. It's okay. Now click. Yeah, you can see after we gave this form, the top corner, top apex areas became something. It changed something. So what's the problem? Forms are created, but it's everywhere. So we need to change this shader, principal BSDF shaders. So click here and change to this one. Now let's see. Yeah, here we go. Now it's okay. You can see this forms created here, ocean, and when waves are collide, the forms are created. So this is the thing. But with this light effect, with the sun or moon, the form should what emit should emit light. So have any emission. So light emission. So let's add. Before that, let's give color variation to these forms also, light to dark, because it's fully white, no, like iceberg. So let's add a color ramp to this form principal BSDF. So add a color ramp. We can copy this one also. So let's copy Shift D and copy here and change the color into light color. Light blue, okay, and this color also change to white. White, zero. Now okay, and connect this color to this emission, because we need the emission settings. Okay, now too much visible, but we can change this emission strength and factor. So we need to change the factor. Before that, let's arrange something like this. Okay. So now let's add some noise effect for this form and with this emission strength. So let's add a color ramp for this form again, in order to control this emission strength and noise. So add a color ramp, don't copy, because we need a dark black and white. So Shift A, add a color ramp. So, okay. And click this color with the emission strength. Okay, and let's add noise texture for this form. So shift A, search noise texture. Okay, now click this factor to this factor. Okay, you can see this noise effect. So we can increase the scale roughness of this noise. You can see scale and roughness, scale, noise, detail, distortion, like that. Likewise, you can change this noise and how it control this emission spring, this noise, not this color ramp. This noise, how to control this color ramp with this emission spring. For that, we need to add a mathematical formula. So let's add math. So shift A, search math, and click the math and add somewhere here between these two. So now it's okay, but we need to give what kind of mathematics we are going to do. So here click add and let's multiply. Okay, so multiply the value. So let's increase the value. You see, you can see the emission is multiplying with the noise. Okay, let's give 10, too much, or just give 5. Okay, and let's reduce roughness or increase. Okay, okay, and then we can change this form capacity also here, form coverage here in this ocean setting. Change like this. You can reduce and increase like that. It's the milk ocean. Okay. Like this. It's fine. Okay. Mm, okay. And we go to this console and go to layout and viewport shading. Here we go, and let's play. You can see ocean is moving like that. We can increase the speed and everything. Okay. And let's add environment HDRI. So let's go again with shading and change this object into world. Okay. Change this object into world. When you go to this world, here there are two uh, dialog boxes. So let's add a background image. Means so let's add shift A, search, uh, texture. uh, environment texture and click. So we need to give environment texture. So color, connect this color to this color, and let's open a background HDRI image. So let's open and get here. Here we can. I have already downloaded HDRI images. I will add an website link in description down, so you can download freely also. So let's open first one. One is not suitable. Then find the. Let me open others. Find. Yes, I have 6 ocean HDRIs. See, no 6, 8. Yes, let me open. Add one of them. Okay, let's open. So then it will not change in this material preview. So let's go to this render preview. I click that one. Here we go, and we can change these locations by using another option. So let's add shift A and add a vector mapping and click, and add this vector to this vector. Okay. Now you can rotate along axis. Okay, when we add a vector, this background will go. So add a shader. Shift A, add a shader. Emission. Not emission, mix shader. Shift A, shader, mix shader. Yeah, here. Okay, and add another background. So background. Shift B. Here, click this background with this shader. Okay, and change the color to dark. Okay, and let's add texture coordinate. Okay, search code and click this generator to the vector, and now it's fine. Okay, you just watch these things, and we can rotate this location. So by here location, we can change this location, and we can rotate, and we can rotate in the axis like that, and we can scale this also. So then we can increase this repetition also, and scale our ocean for a better view, like and change position. We are here like that. That's all. That's all. And next, add some rain effect. So like this. How perfection. Okay, you know. and maybe, yeah, this is perfect. And let's add rain. So go to this layout, render view, zoom out. Yeah, okay. So, let's play. Fine. And let's increase. Increase in value. Okay. Now let's add a rain effect. So crop and add a plane. Add a mesh and a plane and grab it along z-axis and scale that. Scale that again. Okay, and grab that one. Yeah. Okay. And let's go to this particle properties. Okay, and add a new particle and the particle system. Okay, if you want to change the name, change it, and numbers. Okay, lifetime change into 100. Okay, and here go and rotation velocity render. Here render as mm, okay, leave it for now. And okay, let's play. You see these drops are coming, but slowly. So go back and increase this velocity into 30. Yeah, but it's also slow. So let's change it into 100. It's too much, but let's check. Yeah, it's fine. 100 is fine. Okay, but the raindrops are going down to this ocean. So okay, uh, mid from faces. Okay, mm, change. Okay, let's reduce this mass 0.5. Okay, and also okay. Mm, And if you want to change the shape of the raindrops, we can add something. Just add a mesh and equal, yeah, and drag along the along it. Okay. If you want this uh, shape of raindrops, you can add this one. Otherwise, it's edit and click this proportional editing. And, okay, select a vertex and select this one and type scale and then scale by mouse wheel and drag. Okay, and use edit mode. It's mode. Okay. Now, if you want this shape of raindrops, we can add here again. Go to this particle, select that uh, plane and this particle option. Here, go to this render and change into this halo into object and insert object. So tick this one. Now it's okay. But size is very high, so change scale. Okay, okay. But okay, so I need to scale randomness. Okay, fine, and scale that means change the way. It's not an issue. Okay, rotation we don't need. And scale intensity in the frame. That's all, guys. For now, I will show you how to make a floating object in ocean in my next video. So hide this one and hide it. Here along it, display. Okay, now let's play.